welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. In today's video we'll be working on a Chevy Cruze and we'll show you how to remove or replace your headlight assembly, the whole headlight. We'll guys have more than 200 videos. Why? Because our goal, guys, is to save you as much money as we can by providing free videos to you. All we need in return, like and subscribe. All the tools and parts, guys, that we use are listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. So let me first, guys, introduce you to the channel. We have a brand new channel that we just started. Okay, it's called Electrical Car Repair Life, and this car, guys, we have so many videos on this car, testing components, engine codes, airbag codes, so please check it out. Now this is the headlight, guys. Whether it's the left or right headlight, the procedure is the same. First, what we'll need to do, guys, unfortunately we have to remove the bumper, so stay with us to show you how to do that so we can get to the headlight assembly. So in order to remove the bumper, guys, okay, ours is damaged on the left side, but we'll demonstrate what needs to be done on the right side, and the same thing will need to be done on the left side of the bumper as well. So pretty much everything is the same. Now, okay, you can see we have a Torx 20 star looking bit. Okay, like this one here, and over there, guys, okay, we have a few screws that we need to remove. Okay, and now, guys, okay, let us show you what else needs to be done. So we'll remove the same 3 screws that we did on the other side. As I said, ours is damaged, so we're not going to video that. We already did it. Now, we need to get the same tool, guys, and we need to go under the vehicle. And there is one cover that we need to remove, okay, with the Torx 20. One screw. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have one more on the other side. Okay, you might expect to have some clips here. Ours, okay, 4 clips, you need to remove those, and then you pull the piece out. Okay, like that, and you remove it out of the way now, guys. Okay, you can see just like that. Now, let us see, guys, okay, what else needs to be, okay, what else needs to be done here. Right here we have one more screw in the corner. Again, what we're doing on the left side needs to be done on the right side as well. Okay. This screw right there, we don't have anything here. Okay, it looks great now. So we need to go ahead, open the hood, and we need to continue under the hood of the vehicle to remove a few more components now. So we open the hood now, guys, okay, and you're going to notice right here now, okay, we have one bolt with a 10mm socket here. Same thing, guys, okay, on the other side. Now we're supposed to have, guys, 4 clips of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. But we have only 2. The other ones were not installed. So let us show you how to remove those. Okay, you pry that piece up a little bit, get the clip removal tool. Okay, pull it out. Perfect. You can see if once you lift the middle piece up, you're going to be able to remove the whole clip. Okay, great. Now you're going to have 2 more. Remember, one here and one here. Ours, guys, are missing. Now we need to grab the bumper. Okay, I don't think anything else is holding. We need to grab on this side a little bit. Okay, let me show you. And you have to hold it good and pull this way. There is a few clips. Okay, and those clips, guys, they tend to get stuck, so okay, what we're going to do, we're going to actually help it here. Okay, it's the clip that's holding right here. I can see it, this clip. Okay, it's about to come out. I'll get a screwdriver, a small screwdriver. One person will pull a little bit and I can see the clip. Okay, it popped out. Perfect. Because otherwise you're going to break it. It goes under the headlight now. You have a couple of clips as well. So we need to break that one loose now. And it tends to get stuck, guys. Okay, really bad. So you can see, guys, we have 1, 2 clips holding here. So if we lift up a little bit, okay, come in an angle like that, it's going to come out. Now we need to disconnect all the wiring harness. Okay, right here now. What I'll do, I'll disconnect the bulbs and I'll check them later. Here we have another wire. This is for the temp sensor as well. So, okay, this one, that red thing, guys. Okay, give me a second. I need to pull that thing. Okay, I need to pull that thing out. Okay, let me just grab one screwdriver quick. Okay, you can see that red thing needs to be moved to the back, then push in. Okay, and that thing is extremely tight. What I'll do, I'll leave the locking pin right here. Okay, it has a lot of sand in it. And pull it out. Now on the other side, we're going to have one more, but ours is broken. You can see where the bumper got damaged. So you can see, guys, the bumper came out of the way just like that. So the left and the right headlight, guys, the procedure is about the same for both of them. Now we'll demonstrate on the left headlight. You need, guys, okay, let me see, this is a 7mm socket. Okay, let me show you where the screw is. Okay, like that. One screw in the corner. You can see that's why we needed to remove it, guys. Okay, you have one on top here. So far 2 screws. And then we have one more that's less obvious. Okay, and it's the one right here. Alright, guys, this is the third one. Perfect. Now you can go ahead. Okay, pull the headlight up a little bit. Okay, let me see now to make sure that it's not holding. Okay, here we have one more screw. One more. This one. This is a fourth screw, guys. Okay, now if we grab it, come up on the back side, pull it out. We need to disconnect the bulb. Okay, that white piece, okay, it needs to be pulled back. Okay, like that. And now press down, pull it out. Okay, not like that. No. Hold on now. Push it in. Okay, push it in good. And if it doesn't want to come out, then, okay, press on it. And come out, because otherwise it will break. We have one. Okay, let's turn that bulb counterclockwise. Okay, this bulb needs to come out, guys. Okay, let me show you. You just grab it, turn it. Okay, and you can pull it out and we can disconnect the cable later if we need to, because it will be more convenient. You can see that red thing will need to come out. Okay, like that. Now, if we grab the bulb, push down here, we grab the bulb. Okay, you'll be able to remove it and install it on the headlight if you need to, but that's how you guys, okay, disconnect it. It goes only one way, so if it doesn't want to go in, adjust something. Okay, perfect. And that's how you guys remove the headlight assembly. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to some of you. Please hit that subscribe button for more videos and see you guys next time.